The creative play of wisdom, the spontaneous song of a dakini, invoking the heart of noble Tara. Star-like reflections arise in the clear mirror of the primordially pure expanse and are perfected in the equal taste of illusion. Thus, whatever occurs is devoid of both coming and abiding. While abiding in this evenness, whatever is wished for arises without effort. Holder of an Utpala, who grants refuge and liberates from samsara and nirvana. Arisen from me, the mere notion of a true self, appearance and emptiness, conjoined, unimpeded, and all-pervading goddess who protects from every fear. Your four activities are born of bliss and emptiness. Tara, you are uncreated, unceasing, and liberates to the very limits of space itself. Tara, without appearance or obstruction, your supreme form is great radiance. Tara, your non-existent form appears clearly as the perfection of samsara and nirvana. Tara, you are the naked, great bliss of awareness and emptiness that pervades all. Tara, you have embraced your sun of luminosity and are gathered into a single sphere. Tara, devoid of effort, you are the effortless clarity of the four joys. Tara, most marvelous, there is no doubt of your granting relief to the weary. Tara, most beautiful. You are perfect in and of yourself and pervade all. Tara, you are the Dharma Dhatu, mother of all Sugatas. Tara, you are a special friend to all practitioners. Tara, you are the mother who cuts the very life force of negative action. Tara, you are the mother who distinguishes between happiness and sadness. Tara, you are the motherly Samaya to all who keep their vows. Tara, you are the motherly channels of all mantrikas. Tara, you are the motherly suchness, utterly free of the two obscurations. Tara, you are simultaneous and spontaneous perfection of samsara and nirvana. Tara, you are the cloud-like formations of the interdependent 10 grounds and 5 paths. Tara, you are the supreme mother of all Buddhas. Tara Ma. Tara, you are ever catching us with your hook of compassion. Tara, you are ever binding us with your lasso of kindness. Our courageous, strong mother is wisdom, primordially perfected. She holds all beings as if her only child. Our actions and prayers will deliver the ordinary and supreme accomplishments when the kayas and wisdoms are perfected. The twofold benefit will be complete. Tara, you are a wish-granting jewel, the source of all we desire. Tara, dear mother, the confused children of the 6 realms, and so on, all arise from you. To see the mutual dependence between mother and child is what it means to be your child. When things collapse on their own ground, this is what it means to be your child. To see the unfailing law of karma and its results is what it means to be your child. To have an attitude of disillusionment and a desire to leave samsara is what it means to be your child. To have connate ignorance confuse you is separation from mother. To grasp and obsess at an independent identity, an autonomous self, is separation from mother. To embrace samsara is separation from mother. To enact the 10 virtuous deeds is what it means to be your child. To engage the 3 higher trainings is what it means to be your child. To take up the perverse is separation from mother. To see the emptiness of things is what it means to be your child. To see the emptiness as dependent arising is what it means to be your child. To fall into the extremes of permanence and nihilism is separation from mother. To know the suchness of my mind is what it means to be your child. To know the illusory nature of the relative is what it means to be your child. To succumb to the extremist view of true existence is separation from mother. To know all beings as having had the experience of being a parent, wishing to repay their kindness, is what it means to be your child. To grasp at autonomous existence and indulge in attachment and aversion is separation from mother. To view myself and all other beings as equals and to actively exchange my happiness for their pain is what it means to be your child. In particular, to have perfected wisdom and crossed to the other shore is to be comparable with you, Mother Tara, to be without vows. And Samaya is separation from mother. To be completely addicted to my own goals is separation from mother. To know the pain and suffering of all 6 classes of being is what it means to be your child. To know the concordant cause of dukkha is what it means to be your child. To be without trust in future lives is separation from mother. To be indifferent to the suffering of others is separation from mother. To see my mind as the actual Sugata is what it means to be your child. And to see my aggregates and elements as deities is what it means to be your child. To grasp at ordinariness, the flesh and blood of my aggregates, is separation from mother. And to see freedom from affirmation and negation is what it means to be your child. To see the ineffable union of clarity and emptiness is what it means to be your child. And to see the all-pervading union of awareness and emptiness is what it means to be your child. Tara, you are the wisdom that is primordially free, the very essence of all. To see how the world and its inhabitants never really came into being is what it means to be your child. To have impure vision, to see the ordinariness of thing, earth, stones, and so on, is separation from mother. To believe in an origin, place, or mode of abidance, and a destination of things is separation from mother. And to see through the facade of an origin, place, or mode of abidance, and a destination of things is what it means to be your child. To entertain desire and other four destructive emotions is separation from mother. To be rid of those emotions by seeing their innate wisdom fivefold is what it means to be your child. To see the channels, elements, energies, and mind as ordinary is separation from mother, and to see them as the spontaneous three kayas is what it means to be your child. To have objective reality arise as suchness itself is what it means to be your child, and to isolate yourself and persist with ridiculous notions of meditation is separation from mother. To have profound clarity of deity, mantra, and meditation is what it means to be your child. And spout mere words is separation from mother. To have faith and pure vision is what it means to be your child. To put down others' dharma because of attachment and aversion is separation from mother. And to remember the unfailing karmic law of cause and effect is what it means to be your child. To give up selfish pursuits is what it means to be your child. And to be continually altruistic is what it means to be your child. To reverse the flow of the branch winds in the central channel is what it means to be your child. The brilliance of unified bliss and emptiness is what it means to be your child. The sudden experience of self-arisen wisdom, thy primordial expanse, causes the subtle, impure, karmic winds to cease and innate great bliss. The ultimate nature of the mother to emerge with ease. The experience of all-pervasive great bliss is gathered within an ineffable single drop, the Dharmakaya, natural luminosity itself. This in turn gives rise to myriad forms of the Sambhogakaya appearing without impediment or obscuration. The environment is subsumed within bliss conjoined with emptiness. The expanse of suchness itself, its inhabitants, spontaneous luminosity conjoined with emptiness appearing without cessation. This is the great equating of samsara and nirvana with impurity. Wonderful. The actual guru is the genuine nature of awareness itself, from which no sentient being has ever been a part. It is revealed through the direct instructions of the guru. If not in him or her, to whom should we go for refuge? The primordially pure expanse, the wisdom of Samantabhadra, is the single drop, the spontaneous union of awareness and emptiness, within which the soul father Samantabhadra remains with neither hope nor fear, completely free from the need to accept or reject, devoid of ground and source, coming and going. Whatever is desired arises as the play of bodhicitta, primordially perfect, free from fragmentation and partiality. The 5 wisdoms perfected is the great perfection.